What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna unbox this ROG laptop, the GL503GE, a budget gaming laptop from ASUS. Well, I think it's already late to make an unboxing videos on 2019 because this laptop was released about a years ago on 2018, but who cares? Let's do it. Actually, this is the ROG Strix, but this is the new version one. You can see from the box, no more Strix, only ROG logos and Republic of Gamers. Let's see what inside it. Oh, we got a backpack, ROG backpack. Nice. And other box, and this is, I guess this is the laptop unit. Let's put it aside. Alright guys, this is the box of the laptop unit. It looks pretty cool. Let's see what inside it. Wow, it looks pretty elegant with red ROG logos on here. And this is the laptop unit. Let's put it here. And here, what do we got? Pull it up. So in here we got accessories, stickers, manual book, warranty card, power cord, power brick with ROG logos, subscribe. Alright, let's focus on the laptop unit. So this is the GL503GE. Well, for the first impression, it's still using the zebra split design with ROG logos on the right side that will turn on red when you turn on the laptop. And let's see what's inside it. First thing, I want to talk about the keyboard. It's already RGB and good feel. The touchpad is okay, not too good or smooth, but usable to navigate. The power button already separated from the keyboard, but 4 buttons on the top like volume, microphone and ROG Gaming Center got bad feel to it. For the port collection, it's already complete, but there's no VGA port. I don't know why. Maybe because it's already using HDMI. And the speaker quality is great. They are on the left side and on the right side. Got the depth, bass, clear and clarity. About the build quality, yeah, for $1,150, I think this is the best gaming laptop that you can get. The battery is 64 watt-hour and it is standard for a gaming laptop. Maybe you can use it for 2 hours more for a normal usage. And the display is 15.6 inch Full HD with 120Hz refresh rate. The spec of this version GL503GE EN023T using Core i7 8th generation and graphic card and VGA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 4GB GDDR VRAM, 1TB SSHD and 8GB DDR4, 2660 MHz SDRAM. And because this laptop has dual channel RAM, I already added 8GB more, so now this laptop has 16GB of RAM. Alright, now let us start the gaming test and take a look on its performance. For the first gaming test, I played the benchmark of the Grand Theft Auto 5 with very high settings, and on average FPS I got around 70 FPS, but it's going down on the crashing to 40 to 50 FPS. And the second game, I played the benchmark of the Tomb Raider. The minimum FPS I got around 52, the maximum is 86 FPS, and the average FPS is 69. And for the last game, I played an old game. It is the Assassin's Creed and it's consistent on 120 FPS. And now the rendering test. I use Adobe Premiere Pro and I try to export 12-minute video in Full HD. The estimate time is about 30 minutes more. I think it's because the content on these videos is a little complicated. With powerful processor, heating is the problem on this laptop because when the fan on the overboost mode it's going too loud. But I don't really mind because I usually play using headphone. Alright guys, that's a little review about this gaming laptop. Personally, I satisfied of this laptop because of its performance. Even this is not the most powerful gaming laptop of Republic of Gamers, at least it helped for editing and support my gaming hobby. So what do you think guys? Does it work or not? Give me your opinion below in the comment. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helped for you who looking for a gaming laptop. Don't forget to give me a like, share to your friends and subscribe to watch my other video too. Once again, thank you. See you on my next video. See ya!
Look at this, guys. Super cool.
Alright guys, finally.